Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case, 18 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. We can tap inside this graph and we will be simply transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using the device in particular days of the week. We can compare it. And under it you will have the list of apps which were used and the specific time spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, phone, camera, Chrome. Simply tap on it and again we'll have this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.